Hello fellow creators, welcome to SAAS LTD Hunter, a hub of up-to-date SaaS collections with lifetime deals. Our goal is to help you save money and buy your favorite software at a reduced price. So subscribe and set the bell on to get daily lifetime deals notifications on SaaS products. So let's get started.
Welcome to Success.AI Lead Finder, your gateway to over 700 million potential leads. Discover a world of opportunities with a platform that's designed for efficiency and precision in lead generation. Our extensive filters help you find the exact leads that match your criteria, ensuring every search is tailored to your specific needs. Effortlessly add leads to your campaigns for outreach with just a single click, making integration into your marketing strategy seamless and straightforward. Alternatively, you can download them as a CSV file with the same ease, streamlining these processes to save you time. Start by selecting the ideal location for your leads. Our tool allows you to tailor your search across various geographical areas, ensuring you find leads exactly where you need them. Take your lead search to the next level with our comprehensive search options. You can search for leads by job titles, delve into different management levels, or filter by years of experience. Additionally, find individuals with specific education degrees or pinpoint leads at a particular company or domain name. Our tool provides a broad spectrum of search criteria, ensuring you always find the most relevant and valuable leads for your business needs. Our Lead Finder tool also excels in company searches. You can explore potential leads by company name or domain name, delve into specific industries, and even filter based on employee count, revenue, or the technologies used. Our Lead Finder offers even more specialized features. For instance, you can search for the employees of a specific company with ease. Simply click on the Search Employees option right next to the company names to delve deeper into your target organization. Moreover, our tool provides a comprehensive overview of your activities. You can view a summary of your downloads and a detailed breakdown of lead usage, helping you track and optimize your outreach efforts. The Lead Balance Indicator shows you the remaining number of leads available for use, while the Storage Limit Counter informs you of the maximum number of leads you can store in your campaigns at any given time. And there's more. With our Lead Finder, you have the convenience of saving your searches for later use. This feature allows you to revisit your customized search criteria at any time. Welcome to our email account section. This is your go-to place for managing sender accounts for your email campaigns. Let's dive into how you can attach an account and use the features available. First, to attach an account, click on the Connect New Account button. Here, you have a variety of options. You can add Google or Microsoft accounts or choose from other SMTP providers such as SendGrid, Mailgun, and more. Additionally, there's flexibility for you to attach individual accounts or upload bulk sender accounts via a CSV file. For detailed instructions on adding each type of account, check out our comprehensive guides in the Help Center. Once your email account is attached, you can enable warm-up and view warm-up analytics. This is crucial for building a strong email reputation. You're not just limited to these, there are customization options too. Customize the sender name for each email account, set up a unique signature, and take control of how many emails you send daily using a specific sender account. You can also customize wait times for the same sender account across different campaigns. Another key feature is the ability to add a reply to email account for receiving warm-up emails. However, for optimal warm-up, we recommend receiving these emails on the same email account. Enhance your email sending strategy by adding a custom tracking domain. This helps in isolating your email reputation. You can also customize the warm-up email settings to suit your needs and stay alert with notifications when your account gets blocked. More so, there are options to warm up your accounts on weekdays only, enable read emulation, and even warm up your custom tracking domain. Customizing your open rate and deciding how many of your warm-up emails to mark as important are also part of the features. These tools offer full control over your email accounts, optimizing campaign results. Welcome to our Campaigns module. Here you can add leads, create sequences, schedule campaigns, configure sender accounts, and control daily limits. Let's get started by creating a new campaign. First, click on the Add New button. Name your campaign and click Continue. This creates your campaign. Now, let's customize it to fit your requirements. Begin by importing leads. You have options. Upload a CSV file, use Google Sheets, enter manually, or import from our lead finder with one click. I'll demonstrate using a CSV file downloaded from our lead finder. You can add your own leads too. Remember, correct field mapping is crucial for later personalization in our AI writer. Any lead without an email will be automatically skipped. Now, let's create a sequence. A sequence is a series of automated follow-up steps. Click Add Step. You can generate engaging email content with our AI writer. Just enter a prompt and click the icon right next to Save button. Alternatively, choose from our range of email templates for a quick and efficient setup. You can also insert unsubscribe links to let your customers opt out of your emails at any time. You can personalize your emails by inserting variables. Simply click the bowl icon to add custom fields like the recipient's name, company, or any other relevant information, making your emails more engaging and tailored to each lead. You can optimize your email copy by clicking the Optimize button. Check the email copy insights by clicking the Check button. Utilize the Test Email function to verify formatting and hyperlinks. This ensures everything displays as intended in your recipients' inboxes, maintaining the professionalism and clarity of your message. After completing your sequence, it's time to schedule your campaign. Choose the best times for sending your emails, customizing the schedule to align with your audience's most active hours. This ensures your messages reach your leads when they're most likely to engage, enhancing the campaign's effectiveness. In the configuration section, add sender accounts. You have the flexibility to include multiple accounts, allowing you to scale up your campaign as needed. Additionally, you can activate an option to automatically stop sending emails to leads who have already responded, ensuring a more personalized and efficient approach. In the configuration section, you can control your campaign limits. Set the maximum number of emails sent per day, ensuring your campaign operates within your desired scope and maintains email deliverability standards. Additionally, select the Optimize Sending option to send your emails as plain text. Note, for sending plain text emails, you'll need to turn off link tracking to ensure optimal delivery and format consistency. Once you are ready, click on Save and Launch button to launch your campaign. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance in the Analytics section. Track key metrics like open rates, response rates, and links clicked to gauge the effectiveness of your strategy and make informed adjustments. Welcome to our Analytics module, the key to unlocking insights from your email campaigns. Our Analytics module offers a comprehensive overview of your email campaigns. It allows you to track the total number of emails sent, determine how many are opened by recipients, how many leads replied, and provides insights into the overall engagement with links contained in your emails. But it's not just about the broad strokes. You can delve deep into each campaign's performance, examining how each email contributes to your overall strategy. Whether it's a general campaign or specific to individual email accounts, our module offers comprehensive insights. Want to see how your campaigns performed over a specific period? Easy. Our module lets you view analytics for any time frame you choose, helping you understand trends and patterns over days, weeks, or even months. And there's more. You can filter these analytics based on the status of your campaigns. Want to see which campaigns are active, completed, or are paused? Just a few clicks, and it's all there in front of you. Finally, for those who love data, you can download these analytics. Get all the information you need, right at your fingertips, to make informed decisions about your future campaigns. In summary, our Analytics module is your go-to tool for understanding and improving your email marketing efforts. Dive in and explore the power of data-driven decision-making.
Are you looking for an affordable, good performing, secure and easy to use web hosting service for your businesses? Look no further than Hostinger. It's our top recommended hosting provider which offers great solutions for variety of users at the cheapest price. If you purchase any plan for 4 years, the price will be reduced and will get 3 months of free access, a free domain, free website migration and 24/7 customer support. So why are you waiting for? Check the link in the video description to learn more about Hostinger.